Hi guys! So if naghahanap kayo ng white shoes for internship or for your white uniform, I highly recommend these shoes from Hawkwells. So actually, I bought the same brand during my 4th year during our internship kasi kailangan namin ng white shoes that time. And I bought another pair pero magkaibang design lang. So let's check it out. So ito yung style na binili ko this time. Ito yung old pair ko and kita nyo naman gamit na gamit. And I've worn this for more than a year I guess. And kahit umulan, hindi siya nasisira. So I got another pair. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, ang ganda ng style niya. And like I've said, sobrang high quality dito because I've worn my other pair of shoes for more than a year. By the way, true to size naman siya. Because my old pair, I got a size 39 and medyo maluwag siya sa akin kasi nag-size up ako dito. So ngayon, nag-order ako ng size 38 and it fits perfectly. So just stick to your size na lang. And I just want to share this kasi before, naghahanap din talaga ako na good pair of shoes for internship and also for school nga. And ang ganda, buti na lang nahanap ko to. So yun lang, bye!